because of, on account of, and as a result of. Let's understand to use these expressions correctly. First of all of these are used to give the reasons or the cause of something. What you have to remember is that all these three expressions are followed by a noun phrase and not a clause. Clause generally एक sentence का part होता है and it consists of a subject and a verb. So it looks like a sentence only. Let's look at the examples. I stayed at home because of the heat waves outside. Or I stayed at home on account of the heat waves outside. Or I stayed at home as a result of the heat waves outside. अब यही बात अगर हमें because, since या as जैसे connectors यूज करके बोलनी होगी तो इसके बाद एक पूरा clause आना चाहिए. अब कंपेयर करिएगा. I stayed at home because it was too hot outside. I stayed at home since it was too hot outside. I stayed at home as it was too hot outside. I hope you understood the difference. If not, do watch the video a couple more times and it will be clear to you.